Hey, welcome back to video number 2. It's very different at the moment. Life is very strange. We are in a 3-week lockdown currently, and it doesn't look like it's going to be ending. Obviously, the people of Melbourne have been through a lot the past 12 months, and this isn't getting any better for us, but we are getting through, and we can't go hiking though, so what I'm going to do is just take you around and show you what I'm doing during the lockdown. Also, quick side note, Kalani is moving down to Melbourne in 3 days time, so we're going to be making more videos even during lockdown, and hopefully after soon we'll be back out hiking. So we're just going to take the longboard out for a cruise, might head down to a local park and just have a bit of fun. Send the drone up, try and get some shots of the city, and let's go. Obviously have to have the mask on. Safety first. Man, far out, everything's empty. There's no people around, no nothing. I guess this is an essential reason to leave home. And that is not how to skate.
It's amazing how you keep me on my toes with every move. You're always running on my mind, I'm overthinking. You have a strange effect on me, can't let it go. You feel like home. So will you talk to me in the morning? Or will you find a way to leave without warning? 'Cause you got me waiting, and I get impatient. Tell me if you will stay. Tell me if you will stay. Tell me if you will stay. Tell me if you will stay.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Obviously, lockdown number 6 has been tough for everyone, but we'll get through. And we'll look forward to making more videos for you soon about our hikes and adventures around Victoria. But if you did like this video, make sure you like or leave a comment on where you think we should go next. And also subscribe to our channel for new videos coming soon. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.